NASA just peeled back one of the universe's most mysterious veils, and what they found inside will blow your mind. In celebration of 3 years of discovery, the James Webb Space Telescope pointed its eyes toward a massive glowing cloud, the Cat's Paw Nebula, located over 5,500 light-years away. What Webb uncovered wasn't just a beautiful structure. It was a cosmic nursery, bursting with hidden stars, gas, and ancient dust, all buried beneath layers too dense for any telescope before it. Using its infrared vision, JWST clawed through the fog, revealing glowing craters, stellar cocoons, and energetic shockwaves never seen in this much detail. This isn't just another nebula. It's a look back in time, into the very conditions that formed stars like our Sun. And the deeper we look, the weirder it gets. Welcome to Dominion Hour. Deep within the Cat's Paw Nebula lies its glowing heart, a vast, turbulent nursery where stars are born. Officially known as NGC 6334, this region spans over 50 light-years, with dense clouds of hydrogen gas and cosmic dust. Temperatures soar as baby stars ignite, releasing bursts of energy that sculpt the surrounding gas into breathtaking shapes. Euclid's infrared eyes pierce the dust, revealing star clusters never seen before. These newborn stars burn bright, their solar winds clearing pockets in the nebula, creating the paw-like structure we see from Earth. Scientists call this nebula a stellar forge, a place where the universe builds its future. Each glowing knot is a sun in the making. As we watch the Cat's Paw come alive in Euclid's new view, we're witnessing the cosmic rhythm of creation. Inside the Cat's Paw Nebula, the universe is doing something astonishing. It's giving birth to stars. This isn't just gas and dust floating in space. It's a celestial nursery where gravity pulls massive clouds of hydrogen together until they ignite into blazing stars. In fact, Cat's Paw is home to some of the most massive baby stars ever discovered, some more than 10 times the mass of our Sun. And the light from these newborn giants doesn't just shine, it sculpts. Ultraviolet radiation from these stars carves the surrounding gas into glowing arcs, waves, and claws, giving the nebula its iconic paw shape. What you're looking at is stellar evolution in real time, frozen in a cosmic snapshot. This isn't just beautiful, it's the story of how suns like ours are born. The Cat's Paw isn't just a nebula. It's a star factory on a galactic scale. Deep inside the Cat's Paw Nebula, something extraordinary is happening. We're watching stars literally being born. Massive clouds of gas collapse under their own gravity, triggering nuclear fusion. And just like that, a new sun begins to shine. This is one of the most active star-forming regions ever captured in our galaxy. Each of these bright dots, not just stars, they're baby suns, just beginning their cosmic journey. And here's the twist. These stars are shaping the nebula itself. As they grow, they release radiation and stellar winds, carving out bubbles and ridges like a cosmic sculptor. It's not just beautiful, it's the universe giving birth, right before our eyes. Welcome to the cosmic nursery we call the Cat's Paw. Hidden deep in the Cat's Paw Nebula lies a cosmic heartbreak, hundreds of stars that never grew up. These aren't just any stars. They're protostars, celestial embryos still wrapped in swirling clouds of gas and dust. Some shine dimly, barely igniting the fusion that defines stardom. Others, silenced before they were born, crushed by the same gravity that tried to create them. James Webb's infrared eye sees what no human ever could. These quiet failures and radiant successes trapped in stellar cribs. It's not just beautiful, it's haunting. Why do some stars thrive while others collapse before the first light? Scientists believe nearby massive stars blast out winds that either kickstart or kill their neighbors. It's a cosmic tug of war, creation versus destruction. The cat's paw isn't just a nursery, it's a battlefield of fate, and every speck of light is a story that nearly never happened. Deep within the cat's paw, nebula lie bustling neighborhoods of newborn stars. These aren't just a few twinkles, these are massive star clusters forming inside thick knots of cosmic tea. Scientists call these regions stellar nurseries, and they're like fireworks factories, powered by gravity. Inside these dusty clumps, matter collapses inward, heating up until nuclear fusion ignites. A star is born. And not just any stars. Some of the most massive stars in our galaxy have emerged right here. They shine so brightly they blow away the very clouds that birthed them. Using infrared vision, NASA's telescopes peer through the dust, capturing star clusters in mid-formation. It's like catching a galaxy growing its next generation, live. And the wildest part? Many of these stars are so young, their light hasn't even reached Earth until now. This nebula isn't just beautiful, it's alive with creation. But what lies hidden within the claws of the cat's paw? Deep infrared scans reveal something astonishing. Young, massive stars forming at breakneck speed. These stars are not like our sun. They're giants, burning bright and fast, destined to explode in supernovae that will reshape this part of the galaxy. Each glowing toe beam of the nebula marks a star-forming region. Vast clouds collapsing under gravity, fusing hydrogen into helium, igniting cosmic fire. These aren't just pretty clouds. They're the beginning of planetary systems, maybe even life. Billions of years from now, as one scientist put it, this nebula is a cradle of cosmic futures. So when we stare at the cat's paw, we're not just looking at art, we're witnessing the birth of suns, real stars, real futures, all happening 5,500 light years away, and yet somehow deeply connected to us. Imagine a cloud that breathes, glows, and pulses with energy. Welcome to the living rhythm of the Cat's Paw Nebula. But this isn't just poetic. Science backs it up. As massive stars inside the nebula form, they unleash powerful stellar winds and ultraviolet radiation. These forces carve bubbles into the surrounding gas, compressing it, and that pressure, it sparks even more star birth. It's a cosmic feedback loop where stars give life to more stars. This means the nebula isn't just a passive cloud, it's alive with activity. Some regions collapse while others expand, almost like a heartbeat echoing across 5,500 light years. And NASA's infrared telescopes let us see this invisible energy. Every pulse reveals the nebula's dynamic structure. Its shape is constantly evolving. The paw print you see today might not look the same in a million years. So, is the cat's paw just a snapshot, or a living process written in stardust? Deep within the fiery folds of the Cat's Paw Nebula, something extraordinary is unfolding. This isn't just a nursery of stars, it's a cosmic laboratory where the very elements we're made of are forged. Inside these stellar furnaces, atoms collide under immense pressure and temperature. Hydrogen fuses into helium, then heavier elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron, each one born in the heart of a star. These elements won't stay here forever. One day, when massive stars go supernova, they'll scatter their contents across the galaxy. That stardust will drift and eventually form new stars, planets, and even life. Yes, the calcium in your bones, the oxygen you breathe, it all started in places like this. The Cat's Paw Nebula isn't just beautiful, it's ancestral. It's not just a cloud of gas. It's cosmic alchemy in motion. The Cat's Paw Nebula isn't just a glowing cloud. It's an arena of violent stellar drama. Deep within, titanic shock waves ripple through the gas and dust. These waves are generated by intense radiation and stellar winds from massive young stars. When these shock waves slam into denser regions of gas, they compress the material, triggering new rounds of star formation. It's a self-feeding cycle. Stars are born, they unleash energy, and that energy helps form more stars. Astronomers call this triggered star formation, and the cat's paw is one of the clearest examples we've ever seen. It's like a cosmic chain reaction unfolding across light years. Every ripple you see in NASA's images tells a story of birth, chaos, and creation. And with the help of infrared observations, we can finally witness these invisible forces shaping the future of the galaxy, one newborn star at a time. Inside the Cat's Paw Nebula, stars are born in violent waves. Massive clouds of dust and gas collapse under gravity, heating up, spinning, and igniting nuclear fusion. But here's the twist. Many of these stars live fast and die young. Some are so massive they end their lives in supernova explosions, scattering heavy elements into the nebula, enriching it for the next generation of stars. Astronomers call this nebula a stellar nursery with echoes of death. It's a cosmic cycle of creation and destruction playing out 5,500 light years away. This mix of youthful stars and ancient remnants gives the cat's paw its surreal glow. And when NASA observed bright X-ray sources in the region, it raised new questions. Could the remnants of long-dead stars be hiding neutron stars, or even black holes within this nebula? The story is far from over. What lies deep inside this clawed giant might change what we think we know about stellar evolution. Inside the Cat's Paw Nebula, hidden behind walls of gas and dust, scientists have discovered something even more puzzling: stars that shouldn't exist yet. These are protostars, stellar infants still forming, surrounded by disks of dust. But here's the mystery. Their ages don't match what we expect from this nebula's timeline. Some of these stars appear older than the gas clouds that created them. How is that possible? NASA's infrared observations suggest a chain reaction. One generation of stars may have exploded as supernovae, compressing nearby clouds and triggering a new wave of stars. But this cycle seems out of sync. One astrophysicist said, "It's like watching a family tree grow backward." Could this nebula be a record of time-warped stellar evolution? Or is there an unknown force influencing the pace of star birth here? The cat's paw continues to challenge what we thought we knew. Imagine opening a time capsule from millions of years ago, except this one glows in space. Deep inside the Cat's Paw Nebula, scientists have uncovered evidence of ancient star formation waves, like ripples frozen in time. These waves, triggered by powerful supernova explosions long ago, still echo across the nebula, shaping the new stars forming today. Using infrared imaging and spectral analysis, researchers trace these waves back over 2 million years. It's like watching history sculpt the future, in real time. Each glowing arc, every burst of light, is a silent witness to cosmic history. What we're seeing isn't just a nursery, it's a living museum. As one astronomer said, this nebula lets us time travel through star birth. Could these patterns explain how our sun was born? Are we looking at the same forces that shaped our solar system? The cat's paw isn't just beautiful, it's a blueprint of time itself. Imagine a nursery, only this one isn't filled with lullabies and soft light. It's filled with the roars of stars being born in violent brilliance. In the heart of the Cat's Paw Nebula, astronomers have discovered something wild, a cluster of massive stars, each over 10 times the mass of our Sun, forming in chaotic harmony. This region, known as NGC 6334I, is a furnace of stellar activity. High-resolution images from NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory revealed intense X-rays, evidence of violent winds and radiation sculpting the space around them. These stars are so young, some are still wrapped in cocoons of gas. Scientists call it a cosmic cradle of extremes. The powerful jets from these infant stars punch through the nebula like fire hoses, shaping filaments that stretch across light years. The universe isn't quiet, it's screaming with energy. And here, in this nebula, we're seeing how chaos gives birth to beauty. As we zoom out from the Cat's Paw Nebula, one thing becomes clear. This wasn't just a cloud of glowing gas. It was a message written across the stars, whispering that our universe still holds secrets beyond imagination. Scientists may classify, map, and measure, but sometimes wonder doesn't fit inside equations. That celestial paw print, stretching 5,500 light-years, might just be the universe's way of reminding us how small we are and how much we've yet to understand. And here's where you come in. Join the journey. Subscribe to Dominion Hour for more mysteries decoded, wonders revealed, and questions you didn't know you had. Drop your thoughts below. What do you believe is waiting out there beyond the next discovery? Because out here in the infinite night, every answer leads to more questions. And together we're chasing them, one star at a time. Welcome to the future of curiosity. Welcome to Dominion Hour.